Hello, boys. Good morning. All the boys of English version 7 are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Here, I'd like to talk about Salat today. Salat is the most important ibadat among the basic five obligations of Islam, the best means of expressing the obedience or allegiance and politeness to Allah the Exalted is Salat. So it is the salat through which the Muslim can gain the closeness to Allah the Exalted, can gain the nearness to Allah the Exalted. And also salat is the key to Jannat or heaven and the medium to settle spiritual relationship with Allah is salat. Salat keeps man aloof from obscene and misdeeds. Salat helps us to skip all sorts of wrong deeds or evil deeds. Man is endowed with the qualities of discipline, sense of punctuality, difficult dutifulness, etc., because of the impact of salat. So we can say salat helps us to be qualified, to be disciplined, to be punctual, to be dutiful, etc. So, equality and brotherhood are awakened irrespective of the rich and poor, and the black and the white people for Salat. Actually, Salat teaches us to be gentle and to be kind also to others, and it demolishes all sorts of discrimination from the society. Now, Salati Jamaat or congregational Salat. Jamaat is an Arabic term or Arabic word. It means to be united or together, etc. It means to be united, to be congregate or together, etc. In Islamic term, performing Salat by the Muslims together with the Imam at a definite place and at a definite time is called Jamaat. I mean fixed time, fixed place. Okay. The importance of Salati Jamaat or the importance of congregational Salat. Islam has given special emphasis on performing Salat, first Salat in Jamaat instead of praying it alone. As per Allah the Exalted says, Arka'u ma'ar raki'in. This point is to be noted. Let's not forget to write down this verse along with its meaning at least 5 times, and let's utter with me. Arka'u ma'ar raki'in. Arka'u ma'ar raki'in means go to the ruku with all the ruku goers or those who go to the ruku. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 43. Which surah does this verse belong? This verse belongs to Surah Al-Baqarah, and Verse number 43 also should be noted. About the importance of Salat Jamaat, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one can get 27 times sawab or rewards if one performs Salat Jamaat instead of performing alone. So if we perform our Salat with congregation, then we will get 27 times more sawab than that of lonely. Okay, and this information belongs to Bukhari and Muslim, also should be noted. Bukhari and Muslim. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved the man very much who performed Salat Jamaat. He never gave up Jamaat. Even Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself never gave up Jamaat. Again, if anybody was absent in the Jamaat, he used to look for him and became displeased. So every believers of Islam must perform Salat, Jamaat or congregational Salat in order to gain Allah's satisfaction and to get more sawab, Allah's satisfaction and to get more sawab or reward. Now we are talking about Imam. As per this is congregational Salat, so Imam is mandatory or very much important. Imam means the leader. The person who leads the prayer is called Imam. In other words, the person who is followed by the Muslims, Muqtadis, here I mean Musulli, as per we are used to say Musulli, and another name is Muqtadis. While performing Salati Jamaat is called Imam. He who has much knowledge on Islam and can recite Quran properly and nicely and senior by age is eligible for becoming an Imam. So a suitable person should be selected as Imam. So if you want to be Imam, you must have a particular knowledge, particular quality and particular virtue. So I think you have understand and you could understand the lesson very clearly and you have understood all the boys. And I also hope that you will write down this Arabic quotation at least 5 times with meaning and submit to me through online process. In the next class, we shall start from the duties of an Imam. Till then, remain well all. Thank you very much for joining the class.